This video is part of a larger collection I put together to get this career, freelance claims adjusting, in front of more people who actually want to make a difference, not just for themselves, but for their family and for all the people they help all along the way. If you're serious about building a new path, this series will open your eyes. You can find the full collection on my YouTube channel, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you want to dig deeper. But if you want the simplest way to watch all of them in one place, check the link in the description. I'll personally walk you through everything you need to know about this career before you get started. Now, let's dive in. So why haven't I heard about independent adjusting before? Simple. Unless you're a roofer, a restoration contractor, a property attorney, or already working in the insurance claims world, there's absolutely no reason you would have heard about it. But here's the thing. Just because it's new to you doesn't mean it's some mysterious underground hustle. Claims adjusting has been around since the dawn of insurance. It's how insurance companies inspect damage and determine how much they owe. What most people don't realize is that there are two types of adjusters: the ones who work directly with the insurance company, and then the ones like us, freelancers, independent adjusters. We don't punch a clock, we work for ourselves. And insurance companies love using us because we're cheaper, faster, and we only get paid when there's work to do. It's just like any other industry that relies on independent contractors. Think Uber drivers in transportation, substitute teachers in schools, freelance photographers at events. Insurance is no different. When a storm hits, they call us. When they're overwhelmed, they lean on us. And when there's money to be made, we're the ones making it. So yeah, if you haven't heard of it, it's because no one's advertising it. But that doesn't mean it's not real. You just finally found the right person to show it to you. If this helped you understand a little more about freelance claims adjusting, just know it's only the beginning. This video is a part of a full collection I created to give you the complete breakdown of what this career is, how it works, and how to get started the right way. You can find the full series right here on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the rest. Or if you want the easiest way to check them all out, click on the link in the description of this video. I'll walk you through everything you need to know step by step, all in one place. I'll see you there.